But I'm gonna get straight to it, and I'm gonna show tops first, then bottoms, and then accessories. But yeah, let's get into the video. So the first item I got is this it's not off the shoulder, one shouldered beige top. But it'll look better in the try-on haul, but it looks kind of big. It is a size medium. I probably should have got a size small, but you'll see in the try-on haul how it actually came out. But I did get in a size medium, and I'll tell you guys what size I got in each thing. So the next item I got is another crop top, and this is like really good material, and it's a black, and it's a small. And I'm probably gonna say the price. I'm trying to say the planet. Anyways, this, you can't really tell what it is, but you'll see when I try it on. It's a crop top, but it's like ties in the front, like right here, and then but you'll see in the video the other side. But yeah, I also got this in a size small. So the next top I got is this crop top in blue. So I always wear tops like this, like kind of like a bralette-ish top, and they're like my go-to, like all the time. I wear them as bras or I wear my shirts. So yeah, these are the best. This one is kind of short, but you'll see how it is. But I do have a longer torso and I am taller, so maybe if you're shorter, it'll fit you, I guess, different. And then I got the same top that I just showed in blue in this goldish color, but this one looks like it's this goldish beige tan, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna look good. But yeah. Next, y'all probably seen this. This is one of the hot shirts. So it's like, one of the trendy tops, whatever, but it's see-through, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, you can't see, but it is see-through. But if you wear like a tank top, it's not as bad, like once you put it on. But this shirt is really cute on, like, not on cam. But yeah, I've already worn this, so that's how I know. But the one thing I can't say, do you see how long these straps? See how long these straps are? Like, you're probably gonna have to like alter it. That's the only thing I could say bad about this is the straps are long. Like when I was wearing it, I had to keep pulling it up. So then eventually I just kind of like pinned it, whatever. But yeah. Next is this yellow top. So I actually got this top to go with these bottoms that I bought. But it's just a yellow crop top. It's actually looks bigger than I thought it was gonna be. But it doesn't look cute right now. But some things don't always look cute on the hanger, but they look cute on the body. Okay. It's a size small, and I actually am probably gonna cut it. I'm probably gonna cut it like right here. I might not. But yeah, it's gonna go with these joggers I have, and it's gonna make like a cute monochrome outfit. Okay. And the next top I got is this. It's just like the cheetah one, but in purple. And I got this one in medium. I got this one in medium. It is. I probably should have got a small because it is kind of big. You can't tell. But it does fit cute. I wore it to a family party. And my favorite color is purple, so Next. So like I said, that blue top, that's like what I always wear. So had to get it in white. But I am gonna go buy. They have it literally in like. So this is the same as the black and the no. This is the same as the blue and the gold one. And now I have it in white. But was I gonna say? Yeah, those are the staple pieces, and I wear those all the time. They have them on the site in literally like every color. Like they don't just have these. So this is the 3 I have. I got the black, blue, and gold. They have them in literally green, purple, blue, whatever color you want. They got it. So yeah, I would highly recommend those. They're good quality. Like they're not like so cheap, and they don't cost that much. So you know, you do you. Make your own choices. So next we're gonna go to the bottoms. I feel like I'm missing some stuff. No, I did not. Okay. So I don't wear skirts, but I do wear skirts. But so I got this one, and it's like this cheetah leopard, I don't know. But it's really cute, and it has a little slit right here. And I was like, yes, I can make this whole. And I'll go wear one of those crop top shirts. You know, keep it cute, keep it simple. Wear a little purse with a little bit of jewelry on. That's a thing. Then the next shirt I got is this bad boy. So it's yellow. So yellow. It's yellow and black, and I got it in a medium because I do have I wouldn't say a big butt, but I have a bigger butt where I can't really fit into smalls because my butt is kind of big. And I also am an athlete, so I have an athletic body, I would say. But yeah, that's on that. So next I'm gonna do bikinis. So I have this bikini, this black one. So it's like the underwire bikini. I'm not gonna try these on, you know, it's a bikini, I guess, but it was on here. Young. And it comes with bottoms, but I don't have a bottom. I also got it in purple, but I ordered the wrong size. I got it in large, so that was dead. But I can't return it. Just like you can't return lingerie, and so I can't return it. You can't return lingerie and swimwear, so I can't return it. So I'm gonna go sell it on something. But yeah. And then I also got this top, which I thought was so freaking cute. Like, it is like, what? Yeah, but I got this just to go with like one of my black bottoms, like pair of black bottoms or whatever color bottoms I want to wear. So I just bought a top, and that was how I was feeling. So I got it. Sorry about that. Had to go find my stuff. Couldn't find it. So now we are on the jewelry and accessories part of the haul. So this was my favorite accessory item. I'm going to start on my favorite one. The only thing is my dog is this. So yeah, I have to go buy another one, and I actually am going to go buy another one because it is like, this is I already wore it before, so it wasn't that big of a deal, but let me just show y'all real quick. What are you talking about? This is such a cute hat. Like, I feel like it's whatever. But y'all, this is, if you get anything, this is a look. Like, this is a look. But yeah, I can't wait to get a fit, go to California. I'm going to California soon. Going back home. A second. Next, I got this scarf. So I love scarves. I've gotten scarves since I'm obviously a kid. You know, gotta protect his hair. But my grandma used to always, like, my grandma's bought us, like, I still have a sand scarf my grandma bought me from, like, but I have a lot of scarves. But anyways, I wanted this scarf. Look how cute. It has like jewelry detailing, and it's like a black and white, and I wanted like more of like a like simple colored thing. So I'm gonna show y'all how I put it on. Ooh, girl. Sorry, I'm looking into like the focus finder, so that's why I keep looking that way. But anyways, not really tight, too tight. But yeah. But y'all, it's big. Like, and I could also wear it as a I probably could wear it as a top. If I can wear it as a top. No, I can. It fits. Yeah, I can wear this as a top as well. But if I do, I'm gonna show y'all on the try on haul. So if y'all want it, y'all can go buy it. I'm gonna show y'all that. But that's that. Next is these earrings. See these? They're like the zipper. Like the zippers. I had to get these. Like, I don't know, they're just different, and like I'm like I don't know. I usually don't wear earrings and rings. I don't wear necklaces as much, but I did wear. I mean, I wear this necklace every day. What am I talking about? This is my necklace. This is Caleb. Yeah. Anyways, but yeah, here's these earrings. I don't really want to try them all right now. I'll try them all later. Let's finish this part. And then next I also got stuff for my room, for like decorations. What is this? Oh, I can't even see. So you probably can't even see the letters, but it says, "You look good," and it's like lettering. I'll put what it's supposed to look like on the mirror, but it's supposed to go on my mirror, and I have a mirror that looks like the picture, so that's why just like after this. But yeah, I'm really into you know, positive thinking, you know, talking yourself up, you know. Because if you ain't gonna hype yourself up, who gonna hype you up? You don't need to. Anyways, you need to hype yourself up. And I do that. And that's why I have that for my mirror. So to say, you look good. But then I got these butterfly sticker decorations. So, excuse my nails. But anyways, it's silver. It kind of goes in my room. These butterflies. And you just like put it on. I'll have a clip of what it looks like once I put it on. Then next we got all these necklaces. So let me take it out the package so you can see what it is. So it's some jewelry, but all of them are like goodness. So here's the first one. It's a lock. It came with multiple necklaces in one. And it was only like $3 or something. So then here's the key to the lock. I guess you can use it as like a what's it called? And then it had a thick chain. This is the reason I got it, because they have a thick chain one. There's like a small chain, but it's like a thick chain. But y'all, I'm gonna try it on for y'all too, so y'all can see it on my neck. This is like a smaller, y'all have that. I'm gonna try that on for y'all. Y'all see the foot. Next, I have this. Okay, so right now it's looking like a long necklace, but it's not a necklace. It's a belly chain, and it looks so cute. I wore it to the pool, my pink swimsuit, and I was like, that doesn't look me. But yeah, I'm gonna insert the picture that I took here, there. But and I'm gonna, yeah, y'all can see what it looks like on. But it's really just simple. Like this costs $1, and just just to like get that extra look. Get that extra look. Get you like this. So next is this. So this is, I told you I got like decorations for my room, so to make my room look more cute. But anyway, it's supposed to be like a picture I'm putting in the frame. It says your comfort zone will kill you. And this is definitely one for me because, yeah, I don't know, just trying to talk, just like I said, I just be trying to have stuff that makes me talk to myself. Just to, uplift myself. positive thinking, because you have positive thoughts with positive to the world, you get positive back. So yeah, but that's that. That was that. And then last item is a purse, and this is like simple cloth purse, and let me show y'all. So it's just simple black little detailed purse that I'm wearing. But yeah, and it's like, it seems sturdy, and you know, I'm just gonna be wearing it. It has like my stuff in it. But yeah. But that is all. That is it. That is all. Thank you for watching my video. And if you like this video, don't forget to follow me, and more videos are coming. But yeah. Peace out, Girl Scout.